when I'm in a hotel and I want to do a whole body workout, I can do the whole thing with just a simple piece of tubing. I can do it in a very organized manner, working from the back to the chest, to the triceps, to the stomach, to the biceps, to the shoulders, finishing up with legs. For example, for back, place the tubing around your wrists. Traction. Then row. Working the back. Rows. Stepping in. Lifting an arm. Working the chest. Lower chest. Middle chest. Upper chest. Taking the tubing off the door, or off the doorknob, placing it around your hands, over the door, back pull downs, abdominal crunches, over the top of the door, tricep extensions. Did I do stomach crunch? Yeah. Did I? Okay. All right. I'm getting...
Just cut that to another close-up here. Okay.
Under your foot. Bicep curls. Shoulder work. Pour out waters. Press. Double press. Place the tubing in the back of in the back of the door. I can do step up a hill, working the hamstrings, working both legs, kicking with the open chain here, stepping with this one, working the adductors, working the quads. Or I can do a simple open chain, swinging, working adductors, glutes and butt, outside and front, four-way. I can even work extensions and hamstrings. Which way to the beach?